I plan on going to Michigan State straight off to college once I graduate high school. I want to study pre-med to become an obstetrician. It's going to take a lot of school. I counted 10 years. So I like to do a lot of other stuff. I also want to be an entrepreneur. I want to do a lot of stuff.
The best thing about being a small school is that you know each and every one of those 232 kids. And you build relationships. You know them not only academically, but you know about their personalities, and you make relationships, or you have relationships with their parents. We have a core of teachers who have been here since the beginning of Osborn College Prep, and we have teachers who have been in Osborn for over 18 years. Once they come, they stay.
I was talking about my ninth graders. I think the reason I like my ninth graders so much is just because they question things. They're like, well, why are we doing this? Like, well, why did they think that that was a good idea? Who wrote this? And I'm like, no, these are great questions. We need that. We need inquisitive minds, you know? And so I'm so glad that my kids question. That's what I love the most about them.
Our theme that we're developing is entrepreneurship and leadership. So now we're developing our entire curriculum around leadership and entrepreneurships to get kids to buy into what they're learning. When kids engage in the topic, they are able to formulate their thoughts, think critically, and perform well on assessments, but mostly perform well in life. Built On is a significant part of Osborn College Prep. We have students who engage in volunteerism 25 hours or more a month. We currently have a student who has the most volunteer hours in the nation, okay? She gives of herself.
So we have picked Pulaski Elementary to do a reading mentoring program here, where the students are working on comprehension and literacy with the fourth and fifth graders at Pulaski Elementary. The students come for a monthly engagement once a month to work with the students for about 3 hours. They tutor them, they shadow them throughout their classes, and then they have a breakout session for about an hour where right now we're working on bibliographies of the students' lives, and we're going to actually transform those into books at the end of the year for they can have.
I'm in the Build On program for the great community service hours. I'm also in just for the interaction that we have with our community. We have so much fun just supporting the Osborn community, cleaning up the Osborn community, and doing much more than we can ever imagine. That's why I love being in the Build On program.
We are blessed to have the opportunity for Life Remodel to come to Osborn as they did at Cody. Life Remodel, over a 6-day period with over 10,000 volunteers, will come in and they will revamp the Osborn campus itself. But not only that, because it's about the community, the student, the parents, they're going to touch 300 blocks of Osborn neighborhood.
Osborn, I feel as though once I enter Osborn, I'm in a whole nother different environment.
I am a graduate of a Detroit public school, Kettering High School. But I grew up in the 48205. I do what I do to assist in changing the lives of our students. It's just natural to do it.